the 20th International Forestry and Environment Symposium, organized by the Department of Forestry and Environmental Science, University of Sri Jawatanapura, is now holding at the Club Dolphin Hotel, Negombo. Professor Sampath Amarathunga, Vice Chancellor of the University of Sri Jawatanapura, is gracing the occasion as the chief guest.
In 2014, the University of Sri Jawatanapura allocated 45 million for research grants. And the Research Council has gone through all the research proposals several times and decided the final result. Not only this 45 million, apart from this, University has taken a strong decision and established few research centers today. Cancer research, kidney research, and research center for water and nanotechnology, and one for management and another one for humanities. And allocated huge amount of money to promote research at the university level. So research forums are so much important in developing the research culture in a university. So in this regard, Forestry and Environmental Research Symposium, which is the oldest symposium in USJ, I must give the tribute to the department, Professor Hiran, Professor Hemanti, and all other senior members who have established this research culture.
The symposium really gave us the opportunity to connect, to network with everyone, not only the university in different faculties, but in other universities, institutes, government sector, policymakers, as well as international colleagues. So this is a wonderful opportunity that has given us to be part of the global community.
With a proud history of 20 years, Forestry and Environment Symposium has paved the way for an international platform for researchers and scientists to publish their research findings.
We received around 250 abstracts from local and foreign researchers. We selected those abstracts. We did a pre-review process. We selected around 120 abstracts from local and foreign participants, foreign researchers, basically from Sri Lanka. Other than Sri Lanka, we received abstracts from Nepal, Bangladesh, Canada, USA and Japan-like countries.
So as demonstrators, we joined hands in organizing this event, mainly in compiling the proceedings book, and all these activities were done with the help of first year, second year, third year, fourth year undergraduates of the Forestry and Environmental Science Department. So we hope that event would be very much successful at the end of this day.
It was a good experience and a valuable opportunity as students to participate in an event of this scale, and we got to see presentations of researches done by senior professors and researchers from other universities and other countries, and as well as young scientists, so that really motivated us.
In this symposium, I had a chance to work with the best mindsets of Sri Lanka's environment and forestry sector, and I'm glad that I'm here, and I hope to participate in the next symposium in the next year too.
This International Forestry and Environment Symposium, we provide a forum for research scientists and academics to present and debate their research findings in front of policymakers and industry. We were able to attract several young and senior academics in the field of forestry, environment management, biodiversity conservation, to this symposium. Over the years, we have seen several researchers presented their research findings to the mass audience, and they became reality in practice and the policy formulation. One example is Dr. A.V.J. Vadana, who presented in our first symposium in 1995 on his concept of dendrothermal energy. Then we have seen several dendroenergy thermal plants in Sri Lanka. Also, in the area of biodiversity conservation, Sri Lankan biodiversity, unique biodiversity, endemic fauna and flora, several scientists presented research on those faunal and floral species, and then those findings were able to compile red listing data and also eventually conservation and management of those species.
This is my 10th time I'm participating for this symposium, and I'm proud to say I'm a past student of the department as well. So I presented a paper on product carbon footprint. This is a good opportunity for us researchers as well as who are dealing with the private sector to present our findings. I think it's a good opportunity for newcomers as well. So I believe and I wish all the best to the department to have a successful journey throughout the symposium.
This time there were so many interesting papers, including the studies on natural resources, studies on waste management, studies on policies, climate change, and the better part of the symposium is that we selected many papers which were in real high standards, so that we will be publishing them in the forthcoming issues of the International Journal of Tropical Forestry and Environment, which we will be publishing in December this year and also between May and June in next year.
Actually, it is a great opportunity. Under 8 themes, they have gathered about over 100 papers. I also had the opportunity to chair one session on sustainable tourism. And when you look at the whole research papers, it's in different areas and also different research, and also it's given new researchers an opportunity, and also the international researchers to come and share their knowledge in Sri Lanka. And finally, premier university like Negombo University has given an ample opportunity to the students from other universities and also like international researchers to come and share their knowledge.
We have concluded the 20th International Forestry and Environment Symposium today, and we had participation from 12 major universities in Sri Lanka and 8 major research and other organizations, and 3 foreign universities and other private sector participation. So during the concluding session that we have discussed the kind of collaboration we would be looking forward towards the future, especially the industry university partnerships, industry government sector participation, and the government sector university participation. So we are hoping to build all these relationships towards the future and to build up a green future towards tomorrow.
In making this event a success, an immense support was given by Professor Sampath Amaratunga, Vice Chancellor of the University of Sri Javardhanapura, Professor Sudanta Liyanage, Dean of the Faculty of Applied Sciences, University of Sri Javardhanapura, public and private sector sponsors, all the members of the academic and non-academic staff, and the students. On behalf of the media unit of University of Sri Javardhanapura, we would like to bring our warm wishes for the organizing committee for their effort towards a greener future.